where you could do boom, 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 right? Keep one hand out while the other hand just does the wrap or the tap back. Yeah, and you can make it really dramatic by keeping it full length and then having the other hand do a bigger motion and not do it fast. So you do it intentionally as like a 2 count instead of like a quick. And then you have to remember if you're doing it, so right now you're doing it like this where your arm is here. So that would have this poi here. You really want to think about it. Yeah. This is also the kind of thing where you could be like, you know, moving with it in a dramatic way and then switching the arm. You could be. Like if you're doing a like really short poi, you could do. Wait, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. But it's really more from a butterfly than from a thread the needle at that point. Start with the well, I would first figure out what your appropriate length is. Maybe leave the pod poi a little longer because your fire poi are going to be longer. And then I would just practice first because you're left-handed, probably with your right hand. Then do the left hand on the forearm of the right. And then the sequence is like this. So if I'm in an overhand butterfly, it's 1, 2. Then you're in the underhand butterfly. And then 3, 4. And you're back to overhand. Yes, it is left, right. It's just another organized sequence. So top, top, bottom, bottom, top, top, bottom, bottom, top, top, bottom, bottom. I mean, just getting accustomed to it. I haven't done that one in years. Well, this is like old school stuff, like, you know, back when we didn't have moves. This is, you know, back when we didn't know anything. This is what we did.